In this video, I'll show you how to fix SSL certificate issues in Shopify. First, it helps to know that Shopify provides free TLS or SSL certificates for domains connected to your store, and you can't use a third-party SSL certificate with Shopify. Shopify says certificates are issued automatically for your myshopify.com domain and for custom domains that are correctly connected to Shopify. If your domain is showing SSL pending or TLS pending, don't panic right away. Shopify says it can take up to 48 hours after connecting a domain for the certificate to be issued. During that time, the pending message is normal, especially if you just updated your DNS settings. The next thing to check is your DNS configuration. Shopify says your A record should point to 23.227.38.65. Your AAAA record should point to 262.0:0127:F00F:5::, and your CNAME should point to shops.myshopify.com. If even one of those records is wrong, Shopify may not be able to provision the SSL certificate correctly. After that, check whether your domain has CAA records. Shopify says if you use CIAA records, they must allow let'sencrypt.org, pki.goog, and ssl.com. Shopify also warns that a semicolon in a CAA record can block certificate issuance completely. So if SSL is unavailable, this is one of the most important things to review with your domain provider. Another common cause is DNSSEC. Shopify says DNSSEC can cause SSL certificate issues and prevent your domain from loading properly. So if DNSSEC is enabled on a third-party domain, you should contact your domain provider and deactivate it. You should also remove unsupported DNS setups, like a wildcard record pointing to Shopify, because Shopify says that can interfere with the site and cause unexpected behavior. And if you recently changed DNS settings, avoid making more edits too quickly, because propagation can take up to 48 hours and repeated changes can make troubleshooting harder. If customers see your connection is unsecure, Shopify also says older devices and browsers can sometimes be part of the problem, especially Android 7.0 or lower or very old browsers. But if your DNS CAA records and DNSSEC settings are correct and the issue is still there after 48 hours, Shopify says the next step is to contact Shopify support. One more thing. If your theme uses images, videos, fonts, or other assets loaded from outside Shopify, those assets also need to be served over HTTPS. Shopify says a page that loads non-HTTPS assets can still be treated as insecure even if the certificate itself is active. So the best order is this. Wait up to 48 hours, verify your DNS records, check your CAA records, disable DNSSEC, remove unsupported wildcard records, and then contact Shopify support if the certificate still isn't working. That's how to fix SSL certificate issues in Shopify. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.